I just came back from grocery shopping and going to the market. The guy at the market, I got this tote bag and he didn't put it down like you're supposed to. You know, you buy a tote bag and it comes with the bottom thing that's supposed to keep it flat. Well, he didn't do it. He just put it to the side here. These tote bags were $1.99 and I was like, you know what? I don't have a bag. I don't feel like buying another planter today because usually I use the planter for a bag. Oh God, it's hot in here. And let me just buy one of these bags. So I did. I got Daniel a surprise. We'll find out later. So I know Daniel likes peanut butter cookies. So by the register, they had cookies and cakes and things. So I got him peanut butter cookies. And I actually don't usually like peanut butter cookies. I like one broke. Sorry, Daniel. I don't like peanut butter cookies, but I like peanut butter. But I don't eat cookies. Usually. It's from Terry's Treats and Sweets. But they were at Moore's Farm Market Center, or whatever it's called, down in Bayville. They look really good. So I figured you would like a little sweet treat. They look good, but see, one of them's broken. And put it here on this little thing. And I got some avocados. I got two. They're 2 for something, but I really don't care. I got 2 avocados. 2 of these. And I got some garlic. Their garlic is usually really good. So I got a bunch of them. I set up my little section there. These are how many a pound? Like whatever per pound. I just grabbed whatever I wanted. I got 2, 4, 6, 7 garlic. 7 of these. I don't feel like taking them all out, but you get the hint. And let's see what else I got. Oh yeah, I got 2 bunches of scallions because I like them. Shoot, I dropped my pepper. Oh no, that means I don't like it. Okay, so before we get to them, I got 2 bunches of scallions. I'm making barbecue spare ribs tonight on the grill, so I think this would go well with it on the side, grilled scallions. I don't know if I'm going to use both of you or just one of them. I like scallions. I don't know about Daniel, but I know if they're in something, he'll eat it. But I got 2 bunches of scallions because they looked really good and I liked them. I tried growing them. I don't know what happened. Oh yeah, they got infested with stupid little bugs. And then I got 3 long hot peppers. I don't know what I'm gonna do with them, but they look really good. They smell really spicy and hot. Hence the name, long hot peppers. I'm pulling these out of the bag because it's easy. They're light. I don't have to worry about dropping them. After the one I dropped them before, because it slipped out of the bag. It doesn't like me. And then I got there's a couple more things in here. Okay, I got the I got broccoli. Shoot, I'm dropping the onions again. I got fresh broccoli crowns and a couple red onions. So let me show you. I get this back in the bag. I'll just put it in this bag where it was. Slippery little suckers, aren't they? So yeah, they're slippery little suckers. Alright, so I got these are avocados. We already saw these. I keep saying that. Slippery little suckers. I got 2 red onions because we like onions in this house, but my favorite and Daniel's favorite I think are reds. Red onions. So I got 2 of these because they looked pretty good. They look better at the market than they do at the supermarket. That's for sure. And they're nice and big fat onions. And I got 3 nice crowns of broccoli that look so much better than they did the last time I was there. I think these were just put out because there were so many, and the last time they were like black and like kind of starting to mold. And these I like very closely examined them, and they look very good. You want to examine them too? It looks really good, right? You want to give it the approval, just like I did? Alright, so I got this one, I got this one. I don't know if I'm going to eat these raw or cooked, but I like them either way. And so this one looks really good too. And then this one's bigger. And I'm showing my broccoli. So you know, I really closely examined these. I don't see any black on them whatsoever. They look really good. I just dropped a little tiny piece on the floor. I'll pick it up, don't worry. And so yeah, that's what I got at the market. Moore's Farm Market. Daniel said there was some kind of event outside of church today near our house. But I don't know. Some kind of farmer's market thing. And I was going to go, and then I was like, nah, I don't feel like it. So I just went to the places that I know. ShopRite, Moore's. And I'm home. I know my house. But yeah, that's what I got today at Moore's. And yeah, I just wanted to share that with you. That's it. That's all she wrote. If you... Here, let me show you the bag. That's it. But yeah, if you like this video, give it a thumb up. And please subscribe to my channel if you have not yet already. Sorry, my hair is a mess. And share this with everyone, anyone and everybody. Leave a comment, and I will see you later. Bye. Bye. Bye-bye. Bye.